rolling? Hey, welcome. I'm Mr. Pike, and I'm doing Pike's Productions, my YouTube channel. And we're doing a math lesson today, and our topic is ordering fractions from least to greatest with unlike denominators. And I want to show you a little trick. So we're on topic 11.7 today, and we talked about the LCD, or the lowest common denominator. And sometimes it's tricky. So let's do a quick example here. We have a couple people, we need to put these in order. We've got 5, 6, 3, 4, and 8 twelfths. Now, these are not in order from least to greatest. And there's a little trick in figuring this out. There's a couple things we could do. One, we can look at, see which is closest to a whole. And it looks like 5, 6 would be bigger. But there's the best way to do it is find a denominator that matches. Can you guys raise your hand? What is the closest denominator between 6, 4, and 12? What do you think? Raise your hand. Yes.
12.
12, good. And I kind of have a little trick. Basically, look at the denominators, look at the biggest one, and I tell the class, if 6 is a factor of 12, which it is, and 4 is, then you can make it 12. So let's just write them out here. 5 sixths, 3 fourths, and 8 twelfths. Now, we're going to convert these into equivalent fractions with a denominator of 12. Do we have to change this one, class? No, because it's already 8 twelfths. But if we make the denominator 12, what do we have to multiply 4 by to get 12? 3. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 fourths is equivalent to 9 twelfths. I gave it the same denominator so I can compare like apples to apples. So that they all have the same denominator, it's easy to tell which is bigger. If I turn this to 12, what would this be, everybody? 10. Do you see how we got that number? Because 6 times 2 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 twelfths is equivalent to 5 sixths. 9 twelfths is equivalent to 3 fourths. And of course, 8 twelfths we didn't have to change. So now we're ready to put them in order. Raise your hand. Someone tell me this is not the correct order. From least to greatest, what will we do? Yes, Hannah.
8 twelfths, 5, 6, and 3.
So 8 twelfths would be 8 twelfths, right? So that's our smallest fraction. Then what would come next?
5, 6.
Actually, what would come next is 9 twelfths, which would be what? 3
fourths.
fourths. And then the biggest one would be 10 twelfths, which is actually 5 sixths. Now let's look at what we originally have. This is hard to do. 8 twelfths, and then 3 fourths, and 5 sixths. It's tricky to put these in order without finding the lowest common denominator. So I hope that helps a little bit in putting these in order. It's also going to help when we add these fractions, we have to find the same lowest common denominator to do it. So that's it, the lesson for today. Thanks for watching.